Hi, I'm Paul from Paul.com, and I'm gonna show you that you can play your favorite Amiga games on your Mac with this gorgeous, amazing pre-installed wrapper with Workbench 3.1 installed and all kind of other games. And it's for premium members only. So if you still aren't a premium member, then consider it and then support my hard work to get those games, all kind of games, to the Mac. And yeah, become a premium member and enjoy it. And then after showing proof of purchase of Amiga Forever, then which is needed, of course, for the legit use of the kick ROMs, and that's why this project started. Enjoying your favorite games, your favorite Amiga games on your Mac. So, become a premium member. After being a premium member, just send me a proof of purchase of Amiga Forever, and you will be granted access to the download link of the wrapper. Got it here on my desktop. I'm gonna show you what amazing stuff it contains. Here is it. Just double click the zip file. It will extract Amiga wrapper. You will see it's here 696 MB. It's mostly because of the hard disk space, which included it's included in the wrapper. All right. Only thing you have to do is double click. Just double click, and you will be in your 3.1 Workbench environment as you were in the old days. Double click. As you will know, I have ScreenFlow. This is a program I use to capture this video. It doesn't handle the resolutions change, so you will see probably in the corner here. But remember that when you see it yourself, when you play it yourself, and you use it yourself, it will be full screen, as I see full screen now. So here you are in your Amiga Workbench 3.1, and I'm gonna show you some stuff. I have, if you got the wrapper and you started this up, you say, now what? Well, you can play your games from the games folder, or if you have some other programs you want to use, you can, I will show you in a minute how to do all that stuff. Here are all the games. At least I have some pre-installed games. For example, Turrican 2, Theme Parks, Tiny Troops, Sensible Soccer, all kind of stuff with Slamtail, Speedball, Stern Race, Street Fighter 2, Monkery Island, Settlers, you name it. If it's not there, you can just add it, and I'm gonna show you just in a few minutes how. I'm just gonna first show you how it works. If the game works, you see this, but is this real? Yes, it's real. Just double click, for example, Sensible Soccer. Well, we do Sensible World of Soccer. It's the most known for the most of people. It's I use with the games the WHD load. That means it's hard disk pre-installed. That I'm gonna show you the site also where you can get your favorite games from that page, and how you can simply import those games using the work hard disk folder. Alright. Well, let's play Sensible Soccer. We'll play just one game. We'll try to do an season. What the heck I'm doing? Don't want to play season, we just want to play friendly. Okay, choose national teams, Europe. You take for example where's the Netherlands? Holland. Ha! Against Slovenia, whatever. Play friendly. Alright. Old times arise. And you'll be amazed. Ah! Oops! No! Come on. Oh, I played this game so much. This is retro. No! Yes. Oh. Let's see if my trick still works. Nope, it didn't. World of Soccer is much harder to score than with the earlier versions. Come on, I would just want to play. Score. Oh. Score just one goal. One is enough. Come on. Oh. Ooh, almost 2-0. 2-0. Come on. Alright. While pressing del, you are back in the screen. Well, this way you can do with all the games. Now, and I'm gonna show you now how to add those games. Well, just print the Command Q, and then you're just back in the screen. Just 1 second. So, then what you have to do, right click, and you go to just take a new screen. You take Lemon Amiga. That's the site, the place to be. For example, which game do you need? Well, for example, Turrican, and then you get OK, and then at the bottom here, you will find Hello pre-installed WADA files. Well, what you have to do, this is a list of all kind of games. I think tons. It's amazing how many. Just download something like Battlestorm, Battlestorm Beach Volley. For example, Beach Volley. Yeah. Click it, download it, and then extract it. You'll see this. Well, you say OK, and then what you do is you right-click the package content. So C, program files, WinHQ, and there's a folder, work. You see here? What you do is you download, let's see, Beats Volley. The only thing you have to do is move it into the folder work. Click OK. Then we start Amiga Games again. And then we go back to Workbench. And now you will see that there's a folder. Or let's see, if we watch in the work folder here, you can see here. And hey, Beach Volley is in there. You move it in here, or just even better, you place it on your games and go to B of Beach Volley, and then just move it into here to a copy. Blah, 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 blah. You can delete this one. Okay, it's gone, but now it's in here. Beach Volley. Double click, and up we go. The way I download is this one is a non-registered version. If you want to support their work, you can register, and you don't have to wait for that intro stuff. So, and then you can play the game. Simple. Come on. Yeah, I know. Come on.
You got me! Hey, what are you doing? Is this contract tracking you? Hey, super!
Hahaha. That's another thing. Okay, I go back to the screen again. As you can see here, and that's a good example. For many games, you need the F1 to F12 key. You need to be activated. Well, how to do that? Well, how to use it? Very simple. If you put now F1, F2, the screen will be lighter and darker just because of the settings of your Mac, of your keyboard. So how to change that is just simply go to your preferences, and then go to keyboard, and then use keyboard F1 to F2, etc. as standard version. If you do that, you will be it will be available. And then you can press F1, F2, because many games needs that option F1, F2, etc. So this is very, very important to know to get that keyboard settings active. So if we go now to that game, well, I don't know if we go to the game because that loading took a long while. Well, a lot of programs. Games. what shall we do? What shall we do? We got so many games. Pinball. Pinball Fantasies. Premiere. Also nice. So the hardest stuff is very important because many games contain, especially adventures and stuff, contains many discs. And if you have to switch when you use the game only with the disc, it takes a lot of switching. Here with the WHD load, it's not necessary. Just double click and you play. This is a game I really liked. Oops. How did I do that again? Ah, yeah. Well, and so on. What was the button again I have to do? This one. Ah, okay. Etc. It's so many games. Is North and South in here? This should be a game what should be added. North and South. Oh, I love that game, North and South. Worms, Wings of Fury. Ha. Just a quick show. Just quick to show you. This is amazing. All those games. It's retro. And you can be part of it. You see, I press F10 to quit. Well, then we need the F10 button. I've got Wings of Fury 2 for the Mac also. It's the remake. Then you know this is the first one. Oops. Amazing game. I played this for so many hours. Yeah, I know. A little bit too enthusiastic. I usually bombed everything just that everyone was in one place. And then stroke of bombs. Yes, I know. Ah! I thought that I got them. Anyway, F10, right? Yeah, you see? Very important. Well, play all your favorite games. It's amazing how much Body Blow, Beach Volley, what it did here. It's virtual karting. Cannon fodder is also cool. It's also nice. Quickly then. It's not too much. It's just reviving in all times. Dell to quit. Okay.
Never been so much fun. Never been so much fun. Never been so much fun.
Oh, just for the default keys is the CMD, is command key, and on the right side that's the button, or use the mouse of course for the second. No computer ever recreated the sounds. Alright, quick. Uh-oh. So, well, enjoy the game. Games, many games. And command key, you just end the session and be back on your Mac. Thank you for watching. Hope to see you back on Politol.com. If you love the work I do, always donate to the website to become a premium member. Enjoy these games. And of course, where it's all about, support my hard work. Thank you for watching again, and see you back on Politol.com. Bye bye.